two-time Gold Glover. There was a point in his career where he was just a flat-out doubles machine. And he breaks his bat and bloops one into right for a base hit. And he's aboard to start the third. He hasn't played every day. Well, he hadn't played in the big league since 2011. But he hasn't played every day really since 09, 2010.
Well, the big thing I like is at the age of 31, and he's a veteran. He's been around. He's played a lot of games. He's played in some playoff games. I like him as a player. I did when I played against him. I thought he was a game changer, all around, defensively, offensively. So whenever I thought it was a good signing when Boston let him go. I think there's a lot of information out there that I don't think we really know what was going on in Boston, why they let him go. Contract kicking in, incentive bonuses, being there a certain amount of time.
A lot of young guys who they wanted to give time to.